today we are going to see about using distributed automation management. Before that, we must know about distributed automation management, that is DAM. DAM is a management and control model for a distributed network. DAM architecture contains detailed information about automated resources. It can be applied to an organization with distributed departments for data processing. Now, let us see the advantages of DAM. The dispersed site or spreaded sites can participate in the decisions and implementation of developing system, so the management can monitor the process. When a company selects DAM, it must establish well-defined company-wide standard for structuring all information in subsystems and software modules. In the figure, see this architecture, it is a DAM architecture. This DAM architecture contains detailed informations. The informations are project management, data or database administration, software inventory, equipment inventory, and sources and uses of the company reports. All these responsibilities are broken into functions, which are handled by the individual elements and sub-elements. See, the uppermost elements are node responsibility matrix and system life cycle management. Let us see first system life cycle management, that is SLC. It is very similar to centralized approach, in which system development is performed in phases such as analysis, design, testing, and cutover. Difference between SLC and centralized method is SLC process. This SLC process involves all the distributed departments and sites, and also this SLC identifies the acceptance sites for the software development projects. In the left hand side, you can see node responsibility matrix, that is NRM. NRM is very closely related to first one, system lifecycle management. Second one, identifies the sites ongoing responsibility for the distributed program. Third one, equipments, and fourth one is data files. In certain cases, an organization can take specific care for database or programs and define an authorization procedure for altering the automated elements. This NRM is a logical tool for this function, since it contains rules for changes and identifies the sites. And this NRM contains technical audit information. It is an important component of the DAM architecture. So, this NRM assists review teams in assessing node design and project control. NRM offers a higher level security. Next, we can see the internode data administration. Internode data administration can assist management in organizing the company's data files and data items across all departments and sites, and determining the effects of data changes in the network database. IDA have sub-elements: physical data model, logical data model, database file, and inventory. This IDA provides identifier schemes and naming conventions for data items and database. Let us see one of the IDA sub element, that is physical data model. It provides the data actual physical storage characteristics, data locations and format, physical record layout, data item relationship and access method, and also it contains data usage statistics. The second sub element is logical data model. The logical data model is LDM. It provides an end user view of the data and program interfaces to the physical data model. Then third one is database or file inventory. It is related to sub elements, that is it contains the relationship between data items and other data items, databases, data files and the distributed nodes. Then we can see the data item inventory. This data item inventory contains names, that is standard names for the data elements in the distributed network. Now we can see the inventory, equipment inventory and use. So in the equipment inventory and use, it describes the network's hardware components. So it stores the informations on vendor names, model numbers, service dates, unique characteristics, and if there is any repair, it stores the repair history. Next we can see internode configuration management. Internode configuration management, we can say it is ICM. ICM is a vital part of the architecture. Why we are saying this? Because it links several DAM components together. The primary, we can take first one, software resources at the distributed side. Then second one, implemented. It provides an overview of the organization's software resources and allows for company-wide coordination of software development and maintenance. There are two sub-elements of ICM. The first one is software system inventory. This software system and module inventories describes the network's available program and functions. It shows that which site use what software. Then source users repository. Source users repository provides final link between organization reports and distributed networks. Now we can see using distributed automation management. A company can decide a new automated system. So first it must know the functional requirements, data needs and output reports request, and it is reviewed by a coordinating group. The DMA check to determine if a new requirements can be partially or completely fulfilled by existing automated resources. The software system inventory provides the planner. The software system inventory provides the planner. So there is the option for selecting existing code for use or modification to support new systems. DAM provides information on all forms, reports, files, software modules, hardware components and sites that will be altered by the new system. And also this DAM helps management to make cost benefit judgment in solving the problem.